To subscribe our channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button to get the latest video notifications.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
Hello guys, welcome back to DD Tech TV, and today we are going to unbox this new Galaxy M52 5G model. So I bought this from Samsung shop, and this model is 6GB and 128GB, and it basically have 5000 mAh battery, and the screen size is 6.7 inch. So let's unbox this and let's see what's inside the box. So you can see SIM ejector pin and some basic manual, and here is the phone. Let's keep it aside, and here is the charger. And this thing I don't like about Samsung, because the phone supports 25-watt charging and they are providing a 15-watt charger, so it doesn't make sense to me. And other than that, yes, there is a USB to C type. As you can see, it would have been great if they provide C type to C type. So let's see the phone, and I must say that this phone is very lightweight. Trust me guys, it's very light in weight. Even if this is a 6.7 inch screen, so that is nice. So let's remove this as well. So the phone, this is not glass, this is plastic back, but the phone is really lightweight, I must say. So they have removed the depth sensor camera, so now we have 64 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and this 5 megapixel macro. And you can record 4K videos at 30 fps and 1080p at 30 and 60 fps both. And other than that, we have a 32 megapixel front camera, and you can also record a 4K video at 30 fps. And on the top we have a secondary microphone. Here we have volume rockers and a fingerprint scanner and power button. And here we have the SIM slot. And in the below we have a microphone, a USB-C type, and speakers. And these are not stereo speakers, these are mono speakers. And there is no headphone jack, so that is also a disappointment in this phone. But okay, I have Bluetooth earphones, so I generally use those, so maybe not a problem for me. So let's boot this phone up. And it also has the knock security, which is a very great thing. And it also has a 120 Hz screen, which is really nice. I don't have any app right now, but the scrolling seems to be very smooth, as you can see. And you can see the 120 Hz. So let's go into the display, and we can see here you can adjust basically 120 Hz or the 16 Hz normal, and you can see the difference basically. So let's set it at 120 Hz. And you also have dark mode here, which is really nice. And let's see the Android version. You can see we have One UI 3.1 and Android 11, which is really great. And let's open the camera. So here we have AirDoodle Pro, Paranoma, Food, Night, Macro, Portrait, Pro Video, Super Slow Motion, and Hyperlapse. So all basic features are available. So let's take a few snap. So let's see how macro camera works. So as you can see, it's really nice. Let's take a quick snap. The quality is decent. I'm not in a good lighting room, so the quality will differ there. And let's take a photo from its main camera. You can see the quality is really nice. So it has a nice camera. So I'll be uploading the camera samples in a separate video, and I'm also planning to compare this with the Galaxy F62 which I have. So yeah, so wait for that video. I'll upload it very soon. So this was a quick unboxing video of this Galaxy M52 5G. So if you have any questions, any doubts, just let me know in the comments and I will try to answer them. I'll be uploading some videos of the accessories which you can buy from Amazon for your phone, so wait for that. And also I'll be uploading the video of the camera samples very soon, so stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed this channel, do subscribe. So thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in my next video. Thank you guys, bye bye.